To process Apple Pay on Apple Watch, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have already set up the service on your iPhone. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and navigate to the My Watch tab. Then select Wallet and Apple Pay. Here you can add a credit or debit card to your Apple Watch by following the prompts to enter your card details or by scanning your card using the camera on your iPhone. Once your card is added, you can verify it with your bank, which may involve receiving a verification code via text or email. After verifying your card, you can start using Apple Pay on your Apple Watch. To make a payment, double-click the side button on your Apple Watch to open the Wallet app. Then select the card you want to use. Hold the face of your Apple Watch near the contactless reader until you feel a gentle tap, which indicates that the payment has been processed. You can also use Apple Pay to make online purchases or to buy items within apps on your Apple Watch. To do this, select the Apple Pay option at checkout. Then review the payment details and confirm the purchase by double-clicking the side button on your Apple Watch. To keep your transactions secure, make sure to use a passcode on your Apple Watch and keep your device and iPhone up to date with the latest software. In case your Apple Watch is lost or stolen, you can immediately suspend or remove all credit and debit cards from the device using the Find My iPhone app on your iPhone or another Apple device. This will prevent anyone else from using your cards to make payments. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and securely process Apple Pay transactions on your Apple Watch.